Doing the oil change or B service pretty much on the E-Class. First thing you want to do is remove your cover there. This is the V6. Exposes your oil filter housing. Want to unscrew that. Just remove it. It is a cartridge filter. You need to change 1, 2, 3 O-rings. Next, you want to remove your middle belly pan. It's just some number 8 screws. Once you remove that belly pan, there's your oil pan. Drain plug. Located on the driver's side. It's a number 14 or 13, sorry. So you want to pull that, start draining your oil. Okay, once you drain your oil, this car takes Mobil 1, 7 quarts of 040 or 530. Fill it up, start it. Oil dipstick located in the rear, behind the air filter box. So to the back of the engine, passenger side, dipstick. Then you just reset your light. And that's the E-Class B service. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.